Hello viewer, if your Google Messages trash option disappeared, let's see how to fix trash feature missing from your Google Message app. Step 1. Open your Google Play Store or App Store. Now search Google Message app. Go to Google Message app. Now scroll down. From here, please join Google Message beta program. If you join Google Message beta program, trash option show in your Google Message app. Now scroll up. Now update your Google Message. After complete the update process, go back. Now follow the most important part. Open Google Message app. Click on profile icon. Scroll down. Click on help and feedback. Click on send feedback. Now in the feedback section write down, "Hi Google Message team, trash option disappeared from my Google Message app. Please add trash feature as soon as possible." Then send your feedback to the Google Message team. After few minutes later, trash option show in my Google Message app. So follow these 2 steps to fix trash option disappeared from Google Message app.